안녕하세요, 아라쌤입니다. Today, I'd like to introduce best Korean dictionary app for Korean language learners, which is Naver Dictionary. Let me show you how to download it and use it. Go to the Play Store and search Naver Dictionary. Install, open it, and confirm your native language, English, yes. You have to set up your language first. I'll put native language as an English and learning language as Korean and save. There is a tab which is Korean English Dictionary for Korean language learners. Click plus. Then that moved on the top. I want Korean English Dictionary to be the main page. So I will drag it to the home. You can see the home sign and you save it. Now it's Naver English Dictionary. You can switch it to Korean English Dictionary by clicking the letter Han on the bottom left. So Korean English Dictionary. Now you can type any Korean word. Let's say 먹다. If you click the word 먹다 on the top and see what it means, 1, 2, 3. Also, you can hear the pronunciation of the word.
먹다, 먹다.
Also, you can see other conjugated forms, which is like declarative, and past, future, interrogative forms. And let's go to the meaning page. The verb, number 1, and example sentences as well. You can listen to the pronunciation.
먹을 음식, 먹고 마시다.
And if you see the bottom of the meaning, you can see how to use this word in sentences. So you can see sentence structure, 이를 먹다. So subject plus 이어가 and object, 을 먹다, like this. And number 2, number 3, you can see this way. In the bottom, there are idioms as well. For example, 먹고 떨어지다. And proverbs, 먹을 때는 개도 때리지 않는다. And this is how to use the dictionary app. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was really helpful, please visit my website, which is learnkorean24.com. You can find more information about Korean language learning for free. 자, 그럼 다음 시간에 봐요.